Jesteśmy na stanowisku Nokii, gdzie mamy nowe telefony z Androidem, prawie Androidem. I teraz będzie krótkie wprowadzenie do tego tematu.
So here you have the Nokia X and X Plus. They are actually physically exactly the same. And the Nokia XL. These are the three Nokia X devices that we have launched recently. So you see here there are physical differences. Nokia X, X Plus are the same on the outside. The only difference is the RAM on the inside. So the Nokia X comes with 512, X Plus 768, XL 768. All come with 4 GB of internal memory, which translates into about 1.2 usable memory. All come with memory card slots that can expand up to 32 GB. So physically here you have a 4-inch screen, 5-inch screen on the Nokia XL. In the back you have cameras. On the Nokia X and X Plus is 3 megapixel, Nokia XL is 5 megapixel with flash. In addition, you have a front-facing camera on the Nokia XL. So, when it comes to the user interface, you can see here it's very similar to what you get on a Lumia. They're actually exactly the same, only the experience you get is on a different screen size, so I will demonstrate on the Nokia XL. So here you have a user interface that's similar to what you find on the Windows phone in Lumia. The tiles, the colors, the ability to customize the tiles. You can put them wherever you like. You can make them larger or smaller, depending on your preference. And you can download additional ones and add to this menu that you can make your own. In addition to this, you have something called Fastlane. Fastlane is something that records the applications that you use when you use them, so it logs the most recent first. But the additional feature here is that it will actually take you to the moment that you left the application, so that you can return to that moment later and stay top of mind depending on the way you use them. You can always customize this list by adding or taking away those applications depending on what you want to do. So it's based on the Android open source platform. Only the Google services have been removed, and the Nokia services and Microsoft I can't think. Microsoft cloud services have been added. So we have our own store here. You can access it. It's where you can download all of those Android apps. And you can search for them. They should be here. Normally developers would have had to change the link. So if it links to Google Maps as an Android app, you would have to change that link to Nokia Here Maps, for example, so that it is prime for use on these Nokia X devices. You just search in here for the application. If you don't find it in the store, we actually guide you to where you can on numerous other third-party application stores. The only thing you won't find here is a link to Google Play, because this is the Google Service Integrated solution, which we have our own for, so we would not link you to that.
So you don't have any ability to connect to Google Play from this phone?
No.
But you can get the apps.
You can get the apps. You can get the apps. There are countless third-party application stores you can also access besides our store. But if they're in our store and they have links to services that you need for that application to function properly, it would need to go into our store to be able to ensure those links are there. Right? It's actually relatively easy. You can take a regular Android application and just switch the links, which takes a couple of hours for developers.
But does it run standalone applications, like you have a APK file that you have on your device, and can you launch this application?
I think as long as it involves the link to Nokia services, that is what we want. If it doesn't, then there would be, we can't guarantee how it will be experienced on the device, because
I see.
Maybe it hangs, maybe it doesn't, because there's no fast link to our services.
Of course, I see.
But a developer would only need a couple of hours to change that and have access to all of our X users, Nokia X. So That's the experience so far. They all come in as dual SIM devices. There's just a little control panel there where you can easily switch between the two dual SIMs, and you have some quick links here to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the profile, silent, or general.
And how about the prices?
So good question. The prices are, so you have three devices, Nokia X, X Plus, XL. X starts at 89 euros, or is 89 euros. X Plus is 99 euros, and XL is 109.